In Nairobi, the National Assembly's Justice and Legal Affairs Committee is currently meeting in Parliament to consider amendments to the Political Parties Act ahead of the much-anticipated vote tomorrow. But leaders allied to Deputy President William Ruto's United Democratic Alliance, who are not keen on the proposed amendments, have stormed out of the meeting in protest. They are speaking outside the premises currently, so let's listen in.
Any other organization that play a key role in the management of political parties and democracy, like the Center for Multi-Party Democracy, the many election monitoring organizations, the IEBC, women organizations, all those are missing. And that is why we are seeing there's a hurry. So to cut the long story short, Standing Order 131 is a procedure, does not obligate a member to drop his amendment. It's silent, it begs, it asks for consensus for the member to engage, to serve on time on the floor, to see whether members with their amendments are more similar, whether they can agree on one of their own to carry, whether a member can be convinced by the committee that did the public participation. So in the event that we realized that the meeting that we were to attend this morning in line with Standing Order 131, the meeting was bigger. It was outside the framework of that standing order. We feel then the only route remaining for us is to convince the House tomorrow morning and afternoon, argue our case, because we are under obligation to defend the multi-party democracy that the 2010 Constitution has given us. And finally, the biggest problem we have with this bill is that the registrar of political parties, that office, is to regulate political parties. And in this bill, the registrar is being given excessive, I can call it imperial powers, to conduct, for example, the nomination of political parties. That function squarely lies with IEBC. The registrar cannot take the function of IEBC. As a party, or parties have submitted their nomination rules and procedures to IEBC. Just a week ago, they gave all parties who complied with, they were given certificates. So in this bill, you see the registrar.